Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Monster Hunter Wilds, which is the unable to connect to server R1 18700:3. How to fix that server R1 error in Monster Hunter Wilds. Now, here's the first thing you should do. You first of all need to check Monster Hunter Wild server status. You need to check if their server is down, if it's under maintenance or something, or if they're having an outage. How do you check that? Just head on to your browser and type in www.monsterhunter.com. Load that, and that takes you to the Monster Hunter website page. So if there's anything like maybe they're having a maintenance, maybe their server is under maintenance or they're having any outage, you should find it here on the top part of the website, like a flag showing that this is a news everybody should see, or you can come here to news to check if there's anything. So you're gonna see what kind of news it is. Is it a game? Is it a media? Is it a campaign? Or is it a maintenance issue? So there should be something here if they're having a general maintenance issue, because if anything is wrong with your server on a general note, you cannot play the game. It's not possible. You keep getting errors. So aside from that, here are other ways to you know take down this error, because there are lots of players playing this game. A lot of people could be playing at the same time, so it's suggested that you try to play the game when fewer players are playing it. The game might face server problems because a high volume of players are playing or are logging into the servers at the same time, and they have limited servers. So here's another thing to do. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Check that. How can you check? Come to your browser here, press fast.com, and you will see your internet speed and how your internet is working. So if there's any issue with your internet, check it. Or better still, you can restart your router or your modem to refresh the connection. And if you're using an Ethernet cable, unplug it from your device, restart the device, and plug in back the cable to check. So check the internet connection, as that might be an issue. Now, aside from that, here's something else to try. In some cases, your antivirus or your firewall might be blocking Monster Hunter from, starting up. So you might want to allow it in your Windows security. Now come here to your Windows button, type in Windows security. See that? Open that, and you get to see this. So you come here to Firewall and Network Protection, right? Click on Firewall and Network Protection and come here to allow an app through firewall. Click that. And let's see where that takes us. All right, see allowed apps. So if you want to do it, you come here to change settings first. You scroll down, look for the app. In this case, it's Monster Hunter Wilds Beta. You look for it, you check it. If you can't find it there, you can use this allow another app. Then you can browse the path. This will take you into your drive and you look for where it is installed. Likely if it is on Steam, you look for it and you allow it. I don't have the Monster app installed, but you can navigate while browsing there. And when you have found it, you click it, you open it, it will prompt you to add. All right, then you add here and you press OK, and that's final. When you do that, the firewall would not stop it from coming up, but it is recommended that you do this only for a while. If you disable it through the antivirus program, let it be just for a while. When you're done playing the game, you can come back to disable it, because this might be dangerous and it might be porous for an attack, a virus attack on your computer. So Another thing to do is, if that has not worked yet, go to Steam if you're playing the game from Steam. Come here to the game, for example, this one, right click, go to properties, and come here to installed files. Then you click verify integrity of game files. It's going to take a while, it will load, and at the end, if it's successful, it will let you know that your game files are all verified. And when you've done that, you can close the Steam application, close the game if it's open in the background, wait for 1 or 2 minutes, relaunch the game, or better still, you can even restart your computer. There's no harm in doing that, and let everything just start all over again. And that's basically how to fix that error, that server error with Monster Hunter Wilds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.